the Tibetan monks should be allowed to be in their monastery. This is a fundamental, basic piece of their faith and their religion, and they should be allowed to practice their faith freely. This is more of China's war on faith. If they're going to fail, and they're building this to a pressure point now where people are going to blow.
Today we don't hear much about Tibet. The reason is exactly because it's the least free country in the world.
So yes, it is critically important for governments around the world to be doing this work, but we can absolutely not do it without all of you, without every single one of you, without your support.
Well, I think Communist China represents the greatest economic and strategic threat to the United States and the West in the 21st century. And we must only meet that with strength and moral clarity.
국업 예만에 랭기요레 안탈렌데 국업 칠렌제 배동관리시에 중월에 따디 텐데 배동기 표현한게 단대네 단디 갈래야지 고도베레 띵사블 따지 고쳐야다 다 배동 잠매바 아니 즉 최선의 단대 계진할 강연도돼 냠루 통데 내가 제고에 주간라 파츠다 즉 삼주 제레도 잡아 연구에 계지 무지기요